other one should come in a second. Like a beautiful little dance. I always think of dances when I see the trams intersecting. You know, it could be chaos, but it comes out quite well. So here we go. This is number 3 going to East Melbourne. There we go. And it's going to stop right in front of us. Hello Becky, really good to see you. Nice, good idea. That's the way to do it. And we've got masses of bike paths here, so I don't know about where you are. Do you all have like really good bike paths and stuff that you can ride on? I used to ride all over Melbourne on my bike, but it's become a little dangerous, so you couldn't catch me riding down here anymore. I used to 20 years ago, not a problem. Now it's people don't stop. It's got really dangerous, so hopefully that hasn't happened where you are.